Hello guys, so in this video I just want to talk to you and let you guys know that in the Apple Wallet now we can add the our driver's license uh, into it. You're not just only credit cards and other important stuff. As you can see, so far there's only 7 states that are compatible with the my wallet: Arizona, Colorado, Georgia, Hawaii, Maryland, and Ohio. And just recently it's California. They're doing like the pilot right now. So if you want to add your driver's license, all you gotta do is just take a photo of the front of the driver's license, and then the back, and then a picture of yourself, and then you just the app will automatically does this thing. So right now I already did that, and it's validating right now. So it says that once it's done, it will send me like an email for the updates. All right, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe, take care.